Now we will solve exercise 17b. Okay. So the first question in the given figure, question number 1, which setting up the pointer face after it turns. So after it turns, where it will be? So let's check that. First question is 45-degree clockwise from the normal. Clockwise means this side we will move. Okay. So where is the normal? Here is the normal. So from this normal, okay, clockwise we have to move 45 degree. So first of all, I just want to tell you what is the meaning of 45 degree. As we have just this, we are divided into four quadrilaterals, means four quads. Here it is actually 90 degree. Already this side is also 90 when one vertical line and horizontal line is there, at their between their angles are 90 degree. Okay, now if exactly one line is passing between here, exactly, okay, so between these two their angle will be of 45 degree. Okay, similarly this side will also 45 degree, because this 90 will be divided into two parts, 45 and 45. Same thing here, it is also possible 45 this side also possible 45 and 45, and here also 45 and 45. Okay, so if a line passing between these two horizontal and vertical lines, exactly it will divide these two angles. So actually it is 90 and it will divide it, so now it will be of 45. So here you can see this 45 clockwise normal means from normal 45 means actually 90 will be here, and from here if it will move, so it will be the 90, but 45 it will move like this. So where it will reach? Warm. So it will be its answer will be warm. Okay, understood? Next, number 2, anti-clockwise 135 from off. So where is off? Here it is off. Okay, now anti-clockwise means this side will move. Okay, anti-clockwise 135 means, how you can get 135? If you add 90 plus 45, so it will be 135. So first from here to 90 degree, so here it is actually 45, now 45 it is 90, now again 45, so again 45 is here, so where you will reach now? Here. So this point is for the warm, so its answer will be also warm. Okay, now 360 anti-clockwise from hot. So where is the hot? Here it is hot here. Now from here anti-clockwise means here, and 360 means from where you will start and again you will reach there. So what will be the answer? Hot. Okay, 270-degree clockwise from cold. So where is the cold? See, cold is here. Okay, from here cold, which side? Clockwise. Okay, clockwise we have to move 270 means 180 plus 90. So 180 means exactly it will be this side, this is the 180. Okay, the again 90, so because 270 is nothing but 180 plus 90, so this is the 180 from here, and one more 90 means this side. So from, it means total from here you have to come and from to here, so where you will reach on? Off. So this is the its answer will be off. Okay, now number 2, there are marking as shown on the domestic appliances through the many degree does the pointer turns through the move. So now clockwise off to cold, so here it is very dirty now, you can check you can see in your book. Off to cold means off is here and cold is here. Okay, so off to cold clockwise, so how many degree? So this is 45, so it will be 90 degree, because you can see this is the 45 and here is the 45, so total 90. Okay, like anti-clockwise very cold to hot, very hot, so very cold here. Okay, now very hot is here, anti-clockwise this side we will move, so this side you will move. So again you can check that how many portions it is going. So this is the 45, 90 will be there. So likewise you just check that and write it's a degree. Okay, you can do it. Now question number 3, answer the following question related to a clock in a figure question number 3. Now when second hand move from 12 to 6 means it will be moved from here to here. Okay, so how many degree has turned through? So how many degree? So from here it will come to the here. Okay, so how many degree? So actually it will be like this. Actually it will is the actually from here to here it is now. So this total will be, if you just see here, this is the collaterals, this is the, now here you can see from this to here, from this point this is the 12, this is the 6, from 12 to 6 is coming. So actually it is 90 plus 90, so it is 190. So it will be 180. This is 90 plus 90. Or second method is what? How many step it is crossing? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total are 6, and each value is the 30. So 30 into 6, so 180. So you can write like this also, or 180 directly, because the each gap between the each adjacent number like 1 and 2, between there is total 30 degrees angle. So total how many is it is coming? 6. So 30 into 6, so 180. Okay, now next question, what is the second hand move from 5 to 8? So 5 to 8. So now how many gap is it is? 1 2 and 3, and each gap is of 30. So now 3 into 30, so 90 degree, because each gap is of 30 degree. So 30 degree into 3, so it will be 90 degree. Okay, got it? Okay, now number 3, what is the time on the clock when our hand move clockwise? Okay, so here you can see 60 degree from 6 o'clock. Here it is the 6 o'clock. Now here from here to 60 degree from 6 o'clock. Okay, so 6 o'clock is here, and which hand is moving? Our hand. What is the value? 60 degree. So 30 degree will be between 6 to 7. If it will this from 6 to 7 it will come, it will be 60 degree, it's 30 degree, and again one more it will move, because this is the 30 part, this is the 30. So where it will reach now? It will reach to the 8 o'clock. Understood? Or simply you can do like you can divide it. Okay, means 60 degree means from 6 o'clock is 30 and plus 30. Okay, now next you can see 180 from 10 o'clock. 180 from 10 o'clock. Okay, so now here 180 degree from 10 o'clock. So how you can do? It's a very also you can do it like this also. 180. Okay, and each means between these two clock, what is the angle between these two? 30. You just divide it by 30, so you just get it. How many? What is the value? 6. Okay, you got the value is 6. Okay, it means 6 step it will go. So from 10 o'clock to 6 you count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Where you reach now? 4. So this is the, so you, what is the time? 4 o'clock. So simply you can do like this, 180 and divided by 30. Why 30? Because this 30 is actually the angle between the two adjacent number. So similarly you can check that this question number C, 270 from 12 o'clock. So first of all this 270 you can divide 270 by 30 degree. Here I am writing 270 and divide by 30. Why 30? Because each the value, the gap, the degree is 30, so it will be 9. So from there 9 step we have to check that. So 9 step you can check from 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock, where is the 12 o'clock? Here 9 step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So where is the 9 o'clock? Okay, so here question number 1 also you can solve by this method. 60 you can divide by 30, so 2, so just 2, just you count the two numbers, adjacent two numbers, next two numbers. Okay, so simply you have to divide by 30. Why 30? Because the gap between the degree, the angle between the two adjacent number is 30 degree. Understood? Now number 4, throw how many degree does minute hand of a clock turns? So before solving question number 4 and 5, you should know this formula and please write down in your copy. It is very important. Okay, so the first you should know, this one. You please write down in your copy, very important. First 12 gap, because there is a, in a clock how many gaps are there? 12 gaps. So 12 gaps equals to 360, because this 12 gap divided into 360 degree, and it means one gap will be of 30 degree, as we know. Okay, this is the first one. Please write down in your copy and learn it. Okay, now next is that second, it is for the 4 hours. Okay, this is for the hour hand. Okay, so how you will do it? So this is for your hours, this is for hour. So you write it for the hour, you just write, you can write it 60 minute is the angle will cover 30 degree, and in 1 minute the angle will be covered by the hour hand, it will be 1 and 2 means half degree, 1 by 2 means half degree. Okay, and this is for the hour. Okay, next again this is for the minute, for the minute hand 60 minute will in cover 360 degree angle. So in 1 minute it will be covered 6 degree. Very important, please write down in your copy and learn why it is in 12 gap 360, because this clock is divided into 12 parts, so 360, so you divide to 360 by 12, you will get 30 degree. Okay, now for the hour, so in a one, if the hour hand, that small hour, how it will move, if 60 minute it will be passed, in 60 minute how much it will cross? Suppose this is the clock, you just see the clock. Okay, here is the 12, 1, 2, 3, likewise. So your, if the clock hand, this hour hand is on the 1, so when it will come to the 2, this hour hand, when it will come to the 2 after the 60 minute, so after 60 minute how much distance, how much this will cover? This is actually 30 minute it will cover. By the hour hand how much angle it will cover? 30 degree, because between this 1 and 2, what is the angle? What is the 30 degree angle only. And in how many time, what is the duration? Duration will be the 60 minute. In 60 minute this hour hand will come from here to here only. So that's the, it is that in 60 minute our hand will cover the angle of 30 degree. So in 1 minute, so it will, you can divide 30 by 60, so you will get the 1 by 2. So this is for the hour. For the minute, in 60 minute how many? So in 60 minute, so our this hand in 60 minute means from here to here it will come. This 1 minute means what? From 12 to it is coming here. This minute hand 1 minute will be here from here to here. So in 60 minute it is covering this minute hand. For the minute in 60 minutes it is covering 360. Okay, for the 60 minute it is covering from here to here. This is 60 minute and 360. So for the 1 minute it will cover, So 60, 360 divided by 60, you can do it. So you will get 6 degree. So for in the 1 minute, it is covering only 60 degree, 6 degree. And for the hour hand in 1 minute, 1 by 2 degree. Okay, so we will use these two. Okay. So now question number 4. Through how many degree does minute hand of a clock turns? So minute hand, it is asking about the minute hand. So we have the, just I told you about the, for the minute hand, this is for the minute hand. Okay, and this is for the hour hand. Okay, so minute hand, 60 minute, 360 degree. So in 1 minute, 6 degree. Okay, so I will use this formula only. So the first question is here you can see the first question, 1 minute. So in 1 minute, how many degree? Just very simple, 6 degree you can write. So how you will solve? So for this you can write number 4, a number. So in 60 minute covering 360 degree angle. So in 1 minute it will be 360 by 60. So it will be 6. So 6 degree will be the answer. Okay. So from same here number, you can check that number 4. So I just solved the number C. Number B. Okay, first number B. Let's solve number B. Number B is 8 minute. So 8 minute means, so simply what you have to do in 8 minute, so 8 into 6 degree, because in 1 minute 6 degree. So in 8 minute 8 into 6 degree. So 8 into 6. So simply you write here here you can write in the bracket. In bracket you can write simply 1 minute equals to 6 degree. So 8 minute 8 into 6. So it will be 48 degree. Okay. Now number C you can see, that is 3 by 4 hour. So 3 by 4, first of all you have to change, so make it the minute. So 3 by 4 into hour you will change, so it will multiply by 60. Now it is minute. Now again we have to change to the degree. So 3 by 4 into 60, and in 1 minute 6 degree, so multiply by 6. So now you can divide. So you can divide it, you will get here 15. Now you can multiply. So 45 into 35, 15 into 3, 45, 45 into 6. So you will get 270 degree. So here also you can write in the bracket what 1 minute equals to 6 degree. Okay. So in the 1 minute, that our minute hand is moving like that. Okay. Now next you can do 1 and 1 by 2. So simply you just change it to the mix to improper, then after you just make it the minute and do it. Okay, so that will be 3 by 2 into 60. So you will get 90 into 6, 540 will be the answer. Okay, 540 will be the answer of that question. So this question, its answer will be 540. Okay. Now number 5, through how many degree does hour hand of a clock turns? Now it is about the hour hand. So just this we will use hour hand. For hour hand in 1 minute 1 by 2 degree. Okay. So now here we will solve. So number 5, question number 5. So in 1 minute, how it will cover? So we know that, what we know? We know that 60 minute, this is the question, 60 minute in our hand will cover only 30 degree. So in 1 minute it will be 30 divided 360. Okay, now it will cancel. So it will be, sorry, here I just write 360. So in 1 minute 30 by 60. So this will be cancelled. So 2. So now in 1 minute how many degree our hand will cover? 1 by 2 degree. So that's your answer. Now next, if it is more than 1 degree, you multiply by 1 by 2. So let's some more questions we solve. Okay. like number B is your 10 minute. So 10 minute means simply you multiply 10 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 degree, you can just multiply 10 into 1 by 2 degree. So it will be 10 into 2. So it will be 5 degree only. Okay, so answer is 5 degree. In bracket you can write 1 minute equals to half degree, and this is for the hour. Okay, similarly question number D. Number D is your 2 hour. 2 hour, first of all you change it to the minute. So 2 into 60, so this is the minute. Now we can change to the degree. So 2 into 60 into half, because in a 1 minute how many degrees moving? 1 by 2. So now this 2 cancel, so your answer is only 60 degree. So likewise you have to do. If it is in the question number 5, it is asking about the hour hand. So in the hour hand we will use this formula. If we will use the minute hand, we will use that another one we have. Okay, now next is that number, you can see here. Now question number 4. In the given figure, question number 4, find the number of degree when it turn from clockwise direction. So it means it will move from here like this, clockwise direction means left to right, northwest to southwest. Where is the northwest? Here. Okay, now where is the southwest? Here. And clockwise means it will come from here. So here it will cover 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 part it is covering, and each part is here 45 degree, because as I told that it is total is that 90 part is there, and each is, if it divided, it is now 45. Don't confuse. In the case of watch we are taking 30 degree, but here in this case we are taking 45 because it's a 90 degree and it is divided. So here I am taking 45. Okay, so don't confuse. So now you can do here for this question number 1. So you can do simply 45. Okay, so now how many part it is covering? Total is 6, so multiplied by 6, so 45. So you will get 270. So answer will be 270 degree. Understood? So now similarly some more questions you can see. Number 3, from north to east. So where is the north? North is here, east is here. So now north to east, you can check that only 2 part is coming, or simply this type of angle is forming. It means 90 degree. 45 plus 45, you can write here 45 plus 45 or 45 into 2. Okay, now number 4, you can see north east to west. So where is the northeast? Here is the northeast. Here is the northeast. Okay, to the west here, and the clockwise. So this side we will move. Check that how many portion? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So simply you multiply 45 into 5, so you will get 225. Okay, so in this case it is divided by 45 degrees angle. Okay, now question number 5, look at the figure. The circle divided into 16 equal parts, find. So we have to find. So A1 O A2, it means where is the A1? You just check that here is the A1. Where is the A2? Means A1O means it is asking about this angle. Okay, so what is this angle? So how you will find the angle? First of all, you have to count how many parts this circle is divided. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So this angle is divided into how many parts? 16 parts. So how you will solve? So you can write it number 5. So this question you can write it number 5, number 1. So it is divided. So angle A1O A2 is equals to 360. Total is 363 angle, and it is divided into 16 parts. So divide by 16. So when you will divide it, so you will get it 22 and half. Okay, so 22 and half degree. So each angle is of 22, so that each part is there 22 and half. Got it? Now next you can see next like how many times angle A1 to 12 to angle A1 0 A2. So here also some questions like here A1 O A5 A1 A O5, here is that. So how many is covering? So 1 2 3 4. So here you can see exactly it is forming 90 degree, like this it will be formed. Or you can simply 20 and a half you can add for the four times, sorry 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times, you will get 90 degree. Similarly for here you will get 45 degree, 2 times 20 and a half you will add. Now here number 4, how many times is the angle A10 A1O A2 of the angle A1 to A1O A2. So first of all A1 to 12 how many part it is covering? So it is covering about how many parts? 11 part, means count that A1 to 12. So count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now here is that only one. So how many times it will be? 11 times. So similarly how many times of A1 0 A4 of angle is that? It is 3 times. Now number 4, what fraction of whole revolution of angle A50 A50 A7? So here you can see A50 A7. So total A507 means A5 where it is A5 and A7 it is 2, it is covering 2 means 22 and half plus 22 and half. So first of all we will go just check that this one we will solve. Number 5, number 2, sorry number, it is question number 6, it is question number 6. Okay, so first of all we will write here this angle A5 O A7. So this angle will be 22 and half plus 22 and half, so it will be 45 degree. Now this 45 degree we have to find the fraction, we have to find the fraction. So fraction how you will find? So this 45 degree and total angle is forming there 360. So you can divide it, so it will be 8 times. So it is, your answer is 1 by 8. Got it? This fraction is 1 by 8. Understood? Okay. Now you can see question number 6, add the following, means we have to add it. So here I am showing I will solve question number 2, 47 degree 28 minute 55 second, 27 degree 35 minute and 49 second. So how you will add? I think you have already studied in class 5th how to add it. So just first of all you just write one table. So here is the table for the degree. So this side we will write the degree, here I will write the minutes, okay, and this side I will write the second. Okay, now after writing this, first it was given 47 degree, so write 47. Here it was 28 minute and here it was 55 second, and the next second one is given 27 degree and 35 minute and 49 second. Now we have to add these two, we have to add it. Okay, we will add. So first of all we will add simply. So 9 plus 5 14, 5 plus 4 9 plus 10, so it will be 10. So right here 110 second. Simply first of all you have to add, simply you add it. Okay, now here you can add 8 plus 5, it will be 3 13 and 3 plus 2 6 63. So this is 63 minute. Here also you can add 7 7 4 14 and 6 7, so 74 degree. Okay, now next step what we will do, next step is ours to arrange it. Arrange it means how you will do it? Arrange it means we cannot write 104 second because the maximum is this maximum second. How many seconds we can write? We can write only 60 seconds, up to 60 seconds. So here first of all we will change it. So what we will do, first of all we divide. So 104 will be divided by 60. So how many times? 1 times 60. Okay, so it will be 44. So this remainder part you write here. So here you can write 44 44 second, and this quotient part will be added here. You can add it here. Okay, now it is now 64, 63 plus 1, so now it is 64 minute. Okay, now this side you write the same 74. Okay, now this part is over. Now here you can see 64 minute. Can we write 64 minute? No, maximum 60. So again this 64 you have to divide. So 64 divided by 60, 1 times 60, so 4 will be the remainder. This 4 remainder, this the remainder part you can write here. So this remainder you can write 4, and this one quotient you give carry to the next one. Okay, previous one you can give just now. Next is that next this side is 44. Okay, now 74 plus 1, 75. Now it is degree. Now it is correct, 75 degree 4. So you can write it all together, 75 degree 4 minute and 44 second. This is your answer. Okay, so you have to write in the table, and one by one you have to do it. Got it? In this way you have to do. Understood? This is your solution. Okay, now next question you can see number 7. Subtract the following. Okay, we have to subtract. So here I am going to solve number 2. Okay, so here is number 7, question number 2. So first of all, it is first we write the same in a same way, degree, minutes. Okay, then after seconds. So this is the degrees part, minute part, and second part. So the first of all we write here, that is the first one is the 50. So write here 80. Here is the 8 minute. Okay, in the second 26 degree and 31 minute. Okay, now we have to subtract. This part is nothing, so 0 0, no problem. Now can we subtract 8 minus 31? No. So what we will take? We will take the borrow. So we will take the borrow from this degree side. So it will give 1 degree. So it will give the 1 degree. So here it will be 49. So now 1 degree will come here. So in 1 degree how many? You can just check that in 1 degree how many minutes are there. Check that in 1 degree how many minutes. You just check here. In 1 degree how many minutes? 60 minutes, as I told. So now that 60 will come this side. Okay, so here will come 60, here it will come 60, and 60 will be added. So now here it will be 68. Okay, now here 31. Okay, these two will be added. Okay, and now it is 61 minute and 31. Now it is possible to subtract. So it will be 37 minute. Now 49 minus 26, so it will be 23 degree. So your answer is 23 degree 37 minute. So this is subtraction. Okay, so very easy. I hope already you know about how to subtract these things. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Okay, now next is that you can see that next question. Next question number 8. A boat is sailing northeast. A little later it found sailing south. Through what angle it turns? So first of all you have to make this line like this. Okay, so first you divide it in direction wise. Draw the direction chart. So this is your north, this is your east, this is your south, and this is your west. Now where is the boat is sailing? Northeast. So northeast this side. So actually it will be here. So boat is now here. Now after some time what happened? The found the sailing south. Now this is not turns to the south. So this come to here. South means from this position to this position it can. So now check that here is what is the angle? 45 degree. Now from here to here it is actually 90 degree. this angle is your 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So in all together, what is the total angle it turned? So it is 45 plus 90 degree. So 45 plus 90, it is 135 degree. It is total 45 plus 90, 135. Got it? Okay. So your answer is 135, this C number. Now next, the minute hand when it moves 330 degree from 11 o'clock is now at. So 333, it is the same, the similar type of question we have solved. Question number 3, number 3. Okay, this question number 3, this number 3, we are dividing by 30. So this here we are dividing by 30. The same thing we will do here also. You just 330, so 330 you just divide by 30, so it will be 11. So we just plus 11, so 11 plus 11 you just do it, so it will be 22. So 22, if you check that 22 is, what is the time? So 22, so you can just it is 22 is nothing but it is your 10 o'clock. 22 in your check, or simply in your clock you just count from 11 to next 11 part. You can just see in the clock 11 part from 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so where you reach now? 10. So what is the time? That time is 10 o'clock. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, so likewise you can do it. Okay.